কোশ্চেনটা কি আছে যে a rectangular lawn 75 meter by 60 meter has two roads each 4 meter wide running in the middle of it. That means a rectangular lawn is there. According to the question, I have drawn a rectangular lawn that is ABCD, which measures 75 meter by 60 meter. Okay, and then they have said that it has two roads, each 4 meter wide. That means the thickness of the road will be 4 meter, where the roads will lie running in the middle of it. So from the middle of the rectangle, one parallel to the length and other parallel to its breadth. That means from the middle. So which one is the middle of the rectangle? If you want to draw the line of symmetry, so the two line of symmetry will be there like that. Okay, so along its length and along its breadth, two roads are, you can see over there, one is parallel to length. Which one is parallel to its length? This road is called the parallel to its length, and the road parallel to its breadth will be this one. Is okay? If you draw this, then I have shaded both the roads by two colors. I guess it is not visible properly in the diagram, but you can see over here that the length which is along its breadth, I have drawn it as a cyan color, right? That means this one. And the lengthwise যেটা আছে, lengthwise road, I have drawn with a green color. So both the colors is intersected at a point. This is called the area of the cross section. So area of the cross section of the two paths, it will be the square. Why it will be the square? The reason is that the path will be a width of 4 meter, because the 4 meter width all around it. So the middle portion that you can see over here, the middle one that I have just marked over here, it will be the square, as the length and breadth will be the 4 meter for this the middle square. So thing is that if you want to find the area of the path, we can find the area of the path along its breadth. If you want to find the area of this path, you have to know that, you have to observe that what are the dimensions. It's very easy to find the dimensions. You can see 4 meter wide. So 4 into what will be the length of the road, as it is 4 into 60. Very good. And if you want to find the length area of the path along its length, it will be 4 into the length will be 75. Correct? So we will get both the areas of the roads, but when you will you add this, যখন তুমি এদেরকে add করবে, then you can see that the middle portion will come 2 times. So that is why we have to subtract the area of the middle portion, that is called the area of the cross section of the two paths. You have to subtract it 1 time when you add the area of the two paths. So that is why I have written over here in that way, area of the road that is parallel to AB. Parallel to AB means the parallel to side AB, that is 75 into 4, 300 meter square. And you can see that I have shaded it as by green. AB টাকে আমি green করে দিয়েছি, so that you can understand I am talking about the green portion. And then area of the road that is parallel to AD, the cyan color বা blue color আমি ওটাকে highlight করেছি. The area is 60 into 4, that is 240 meter square. So if you want to add both of them, then we'll get the total area of the road. I have added 300 plus 240. Both the roads I have added, and I have subtracted the area of the cross section of the two roads 1 time, as when we add the two roads, the middle one will come 2 times. Clear? The area of the cross section, as I have said, that the middle one, the cross section is a square, that is 4 meter by 4 meter. So it will be 540 minus 4 into 4, that is 524 meter square. Okay, and then if you have got the area of the two paths, next thing is that very easy. Find the cost of graveling the roads at rupees this. So to find the total cost, you multiply the cost per meter square with the area of the road that you have got, 524 meter square. Okay.